goes flying across the room when you spank it hard enough. You choke the chicken. All is good. So I just want y'all to know we're going to have a fabulous fucking meal tonight. Teeth and I are going to eat well, and we're going to spank this chicken. That's what we're going to do.